Last pull of the day. Everything's ready to go, so we're going to make the last final pull for the day. Hello and welcome back to Dutchman Said. You find us today at a really cool place. This is JT Performance, and we are going to be dyno tuning the top Secret Supra. So Jeroen over here is the owner from JT Performance. He's getting the car tied up and ready to go on the rollers. It's got a really cool built-in dyno into the floor here, so it's really designed for your low cars. He's got a really cool setup here. I'll show you a bit of the garage. So we're going to go for big power today. Anything above the 700 horsepower I'm going to be really happy with. And then we're going to make a really cool tune for today, because we're heading to the drags at Bedra Airport later on today. So stay tuned, check out the video, definitely give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you later. So you can see it's got some really cool content here. Beautiful FD3 Mazda with your famous rotary Wanko engines. Nice turbo setup here. Beautiful race car BMW. He's got some really cool stuff here. Another Supra, another FD3 Mazda. I can't quite tell what that is on the bridge from here. It looks like another FD3 Mazda. Quite a few Mazdas, I won't lie. Beautiful setup here. And then it's got a performance showroom over here. JT Performance cars, time attack cars. There's an Evo, really cool old Alpha. Beautiful ITB throttle bodies. Alfa Romeo. It's an Evo 8, I think. And this really cool twin-seater race car. Le Mans style race car, really nice low carbon fiber body. So yeah, that's JT Performance. So let's see how we're gonna do today. I'm really excited for the dyno, and yeah, let's check it out. Angelo is with us today. He's gonna be doing all of our mapping on the computer. So I am stoked. This is gonna be something cool to watch. As you guys know, you've seen the engine bay before. Built by Next Level Automotive. Completely forged internals with a G40 turbo 1150. This turbo is rated at 1150 horsepower, so we're not going to be running the turbo at 100% load, somewhere around 70% load to get the power figures we're looking for. Just a nice, safe, high boost setup for some good highway pulls and embarrass some Porsche GT3 RSs on the highway in the Autobahn. Alright, so we got Sam and we got Urine today. What's up? And we're going to start doing our first dyno. We've got a really cool setup here. There's some nice fresh air blowing here, and there's an exhauster pulling up over there. So it's a really cool setup, this dyno. I'm really impressed with the setup. It's really professional. Alright, so Angelo's trying to set up the dyno with the target RPM with the car's RPM, so to be able to match the RPMs to make sure that the dyno is giving the correct reading that the car is showing. So it takes a bit of time to set it up. To do a first full pull. Angelo's been spending an hour setting up all the steady states, and we're going to go now for a full pull first time on the street base setting. All right, here we go. 412 horsepower base, 470 Newton meters. Car's running a bit rich at the top end, so we're going to go again. Alright, so after the first couple of pulls, we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pulls where we've only been advancing the ignition timing. So you can see here from the first pull to the 5th pull, the increase of about 40 horsepower just from the ignition timing. No additional boost, no additional fuel pressure, just mapping out that fuel range with the ignition timing, making sure it's smooth. And we've increased the red limit from 7,200 to 7,500 RPM as well. So now we're at the limit of the ignition timing, and now we're going to add some more boost. Stay tuned. We're making around 478 horsepower and 530 RPM Newton meters on that ignition timing. Last pull of the day, everything's ready to go, so we're going to make the last final pull for the day. Horsepower and 661 Newton meters of torque at 7,300. What a nice curve that is. Look at that beautiful curve. Beautiful, beautiful curve. Real nice top end power. So guys, that was the dyno tuning today. That's as far as we can go today. Unfortunately, we have a lot of problem with the fuel detonating too soon. We're on regular pump gas 98 octane, so in order to get more power we're gonna have to do E85 fuel. So we'll do that in a future video. Thanks for watching today, and cheers for now until next time. Thanks, bye. Yo Angelo, thank you bro. Big pool bro, big pool, nice.